Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help walk you through the Riso Hudson Enneagram test. What is a Riso Hudson Enneagram test? The Enneagram of Personalities specifies 9 unique personality types, each associated with distinct emotional states. It's used to grow individual self-awareness and encourage personal growth to those who embrace it. Specifically, the Riso Hudson Enneagram test is a globally recognised one and is comprised of statements to help individuals explore the intricacies of their character. Completing the test takes approximately 10 to 40 minutes, providing individuals with invaluable insights into their unique personality. Beyond this, you can also assess the strengths and weaknesses of each Enneagram type within your individual makeup. Work to more deeply understand and connect with your identity. Independently tested and scientifically validated, the test ensures accuracy and reliability. Delivered in a detailed PDF format, the results feature scores for all 9 types to present a comprehensive, full-spectrum profile. As a result, it's commonly used by psychologists and more. Here's how to use the Riso Hudson Enneagram test. The first step is to fill in the personal details at the top, including name, age, and gender. Then read the instructions. All you have to do is tick the statements according to what you resonate with. The final step is to consult the score interpretations and then write relevant notes to identify your type. To view the Riso Hudson Enneagram test, head on over to carepatron.com where you can download and access the test for free. You can also access the test through the Carepatron community platform. Type in the keywords to find the note, click on the template and then edit however you would like. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare and well-being related videos and content.